Welcome to AN Study. Today's topic is Major Landforms of the Earth, 6th class NCERT. Geography. The landforms are a result of two processes. One is internal process and second one is external process. Internal process. It leads to upliftment and sinking of Earth's surface at the several places. And external process. It is a continuous wearing down and rebuilding of land surface. Erosion and depositions. The wearing away of Earth's surface is called as erosion. The wearing away of Earth's surface is called as erosion. The surface is being lowered by the process of erosion and rebuilt by the process of deposition. The Earth's surface is being lowered by the process of erosion and it is rebuilt by the process of deposition. This is important. These two processes are carried out by running water, ice and wind. These erosion and deposition processes are carried out by running water, ice and wind. And different types of landforms are mountains, plateaus and plains. First is mountains. The mountain is a natural elevation of Earth's surface. It is considerably higher than surrounding area. Some mountains are even higher than clouds. In some mountains, there are permanently frozen rivers of ice. These are called as glaciers. Mountains may be arranged in a line known as range. The Himalayas, the Alpha and Andes are mountain ranges of Asia, Europe and South America respectively. Himalayas, Alpha Mountain and Andes Mountains, these are the mountain ranges of Asia, Europe and South America respectively. This is important, mountains. And there are three types of mountains. One is fold mountain, second one is block mountains, and third one is volcanic mountains. First is fold mountains. The Himalayan mountains and the Alps mountain are young fold mountains. The Aravalli range in India are the one of the oldest fold mountain system in the world. The Aravalli range in India. It is the oldest fold mountain system. Okay, Appalachians in North America and Ural Mountains in Russia have rounded features and low elevations. They are very old fold mountains. This is in India, Aravalli Mountain. These mountains are in America and Russia. Block mountains, they are created when the large areas are broken and displaced vertically. These block mountains are created when large areas are broken and displaced vertically. The uplifted blocks are termed as horst and lowered blocks are called as graben. The Rhine Valley and the Osage Mountain in Europe are examples of such mountain system. The block mountain systems examples are Rhine Valley and the Osage Mountains in Europe are examples of these block mountains. Volcanic mountains, they are formed due to volcanic activity. See, the volcanic mountains are formed due to volcanic activity. Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa and Mount Fujiyama in Japan are examples of such volcanic mountains. Next, uses of mountains are the mountains are a storehouse of water. Many rivers have their source in the glaciers in mountains. In the form of glaciers. See, many rivers have their source in the glaciers in the mountains. Reservoirs are made and the water is harnessed for the use of people. Water from the mountain is also used for irrigation, generation of hydroelectricity. Next is plateaus. Plateaus is another important types of landform. See, plateau is elevated flat land. It is a flat toppled table land standing above the surrounding area. The plateaus may have one or more sides with a steep slopes. And plateaus like mountains may be young or old. Plateaus may be young or old. The Deccan Plateaus in India is one of the old plateau. Oldest plateau. Deccan Plateau is India is the oldest plateau. The East African Plateau in Kenya and Tanzania and Uganda and the Western Plateau of Australia are other examples. The Tibet Plateau is the highest plateau in the world with the height of 4,000 to 6,000 meters above the sea level. Plateaus are very useful because they are rich in mineral deposits. Plateaus are very useful because of rich in mineral deposits. Many of the mining areas in the world are located in plateau areas. African plateau is famous for gold and diamond mining. In India, huge reserves of iron, coal, manganese are found in Chota Nagpur plateau. In plateaus area, there may be several waterfalls as the river falls from the great height. Many we can see several waterfalls in plateaus areas. Plains. This is the third important types of landform. Plateaus are large stretches of flat land. They are generally not more than 200 kilometers above the sea level. Most of the plains are formed by rivers and their tributaries. The plains are formed by the rivers and their tributaries. The rivers flow down the slope of mountains and erode them. They carry forward the eroded materials. Then they deposit their load consisting of stone, sand, silt, and along with their courses and their valleys. It is from the deposits that plains are formed. This is the form of plains. Say. And uses of plains. Plains are very fertile. Construction of transport network is very easy in plain area. Some of the largest plains made by the rivers are found in Asia and North America. For example, in Asia, there is a plain areas that are formed by Ganga and Brahmaputra in India and Yangtze in China. Plains are the most useful areas for human habitation. Because of fertile soils, the land area is highly productive for cultivation. Plains are very useful for cultivation. Thank you. These are some important points of this chapter. Please subscribe for more videos.